My name is Idris Dauda, and I'm with.
Button Bright. In our presentational video, we started showing you how to understand the concept of Lorenz curve and drawing the curve. This thing has been a headache of most third trimester students over the years, and we are looking forward to make it much simpler in this exercise section for you. In the presentational video, we saw that the Lorenz curve is just a tool that is used to analyze the gap between the rich and the poor in the society. So over here we are coming to do the calculation aspect of it, we are going to get the coordinates that we need to plot our curve.
At the field, we took a sample data from 20 houses on their income distribution. Now you are going to ask a question: how did we get this income of the people? One, we asked about the work or the occupation they engage in. One person told us that he's a trader and he sells, let's say, porridge. Okay, so out of the porridge, we then ask a question that what is the maximum income or what is the maximum profit that he makes. Okay, then the person tells us that, oh, I make 40 Ghana cedis at a least price or at a least cost, and then my highest profit that I can make is 80 cedis. We then take an average of this. Say we take 60 Ghana cedis to be the income that the person has within the day. Now we have 30 days within a month, and out of these 30 days, we take 8 days out. That is the Saturdays and Sundays. Okay, so when you make the calculation, it should give us 8 days out of the 30 days. Now we multiply the 60 Ghana cedi by 24, and we get the annual income, the monthly income of this person. Now out of the monthly income of this person, we multiply it by 12 to get the annual income. And you can see that below is a table that has the data that we took from the field.
Okay, so after getting your annual income of the various people, you have to arrange them from the least income to the highest income earner. Mind you that you don't take just from one occupation. It's a sample, so you pick randomly from the various occupational groups that you have in your community. So after getting them and arranging them in such order, you divide them in group of 4s. That means 4 people making up each group. So you could see from the neatly drawn table here that in the first column we have the petty trader, you have the teacher, you also have another petty trader, then a carpentry or a masonry. Then we have their income also in that order. So you are going to get 4 people in each group, and you are going to get 5 groups in all. So we could see that after coming out with everything, the first calculation that you got to do is to add their total annual income, which you start from the first to the last person on the list. And you could see from our table over here that the annual income of the people was 30,000 Ghana cedis, 596. That's for the 20 households. So in order to find the average annual income of these people, you divide the total income by the sample size. Mind you, the sample size over here is 20 households. So divided by the 20, you get an average total annual income of 1,529 Ghana cedis, 80 pesos. So after generating this data, let's go back to the table and see some important calculations that we need to do. We start with a percentage income per unit. That means the income that each person contributes to the total income of the people. So for the first person, which is a petty trader, whose income was 192 Ghana cedis, you take that 192, you divide it by 30,596, that's the total income, you multiply it by 100. So after that, we could see that we generated that of that person to be at 0.6. So you do that for each and every unit, each and every member, to the last person. At the end of it all, if you should add all your percentages, you should be able to come up with the total of 100%. Now after doing that, let's come to the next column, that is the percentage quartile on income.
So we will come back in our part 2 of the exercise video on Lorenz curve, and we will explain that to you. So till we meet again,
bye bye. Stay tuned and be cool. You are going to do it yourself.